What's going on, everyone? My name is Ritchy Flo, and this is another Dick Tip.
And here you go, another Dick Tip. It's time for a Dick Tip.
Here are 3 ways to become a rapper. Number 1, make rap music. It's kind of hard to be a rapper if you don't make any rap music. So before you say, I'm a rapper, make some rap music. Rap. Number 2, look, dress, talk, and act like a rapper. And if you don't know what that means, watch a bunch of rap videos and just act like that. Number 3, get on tracks. Like, get on a bunch of tracks. So when people are like, hey, will you get on this track with me? That means you have already become a rapper. Congratulations, you're a rapper now. Those were 3 ways to become a rapper.